Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off Allow Device Assistance app to analyze text shown on the screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps and then click on digital assistant app. Now here you will see a analyze on screen text button. So if you want to turn off Allow Device Assistance app to analyze text shown on the screen, then turn off this button. And if you want to turn on the Allow Device Assistance app to analyze text shown on the screen, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can turn on or off Allow Device Assistance app to analyze text shown on the screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.